Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Behind me today, I've got an all-new custom-ordered Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard, and beside me, we've got a new teammate in the sales department. Got Doug Goff. What do you say, Doug?
I just say I'm excited to be here, everybody, and we are just looking forward to doing business with you. We need you to come on down and check out this amazing inventory that we have, and we're just really excited for the season and looking forward to expanding our MarineMax family.
Doug and I are going to hop on board and show you exactly what is so exciting about this Sea Ray 290 SDX. What do you say, Doug?
I'm ready to go. Let's do it.
Right off the bat, you're going to notice something extremely different about this boat, and that's back here with the engines. So you're usually used to seeing, at least with joystick piloting, the 250 horsepower V8 Verados. This is something new though. It's going to be a little bit more price efficient. We've got twin 200 V6 Mercury engines with an Optimus joystick system. Now that's a game changer if I've ever seen one. We'll get to that Optimus system in a minute. Making our way up towards the cockpit right here, you notice that huge sun pad, which is really signature of the SDX series. In here we've got the stone interior, which is my favorite. It's the gray scheme that's gonna hide the dirt, and it's also not gonna get super hot. You notice Doug lounging out over here. Doug, what do you think about this L-shaped pattern right here in the cockpit?
It's just awesome, and you know, one of the things is that there's storage everywhere, and in every compartment you got gas-assisted struts, which make it beautiful when you're opening and closing and securing. Everything's really tight, and you know, beautiful part about this is I can be in the action here with everybody in this entertainment zone right here. But if Captain Nick's going to go driving, you pull the seat back this way, and here you go. You got a double bolster seat, matches the Helm seat, so it's just a beautiful, versatile boat that has just everything you could ever want to entertain on this thing. It's just amazing. Fits and finishes, that's one thing you want to look at too, is all the fits and finishes on a Sea Ray boat are awesome, and that just speaks to the quality. That's really important.
It's a good point, Doug. So as you pointed out earlier, we've got a great helm station right here for where you're going to be doing the operating of the boat. Like we talked about back towards the engine, we've got an Optimus joystick system. So this joystick is gonna look different. It's gonna act a little bit different. I think it's really nice, really ergonomic, and I cannot wait to get on the water and do my own video of the Optimus joystick specifically. With that being said, you've got everything that you need right here. You've got your multi-function depth finder, chart plotter, ready to rock and roll, all your switches right here too, and of course your fusion unit to crank the tunes. And Doug, over here in the captain's chair, you're gonna notice something. What do we got down there, Doug?
Well, this is beautiful because with the double bolster, this is just so great. But you look and you got ample, beautiful head, lots of room. Even got extra storage down there for all of your different products and things that somebody would want to put down there. Just a lot of room, and it's just a really nice head area for a boat of this size. It equals boats that are much larger. It's got a lot of great room. And then just back to the fit and finishes, when you close these doors and you close these hatches and all of the different storage compartments, the latching systems on the Sea Ray prevent rattle when you're underway, and it's really important. It's not a rattle trap when you're running on the water. It's awesome, and then it's not competing with the Fusion sound system either. So and then the cover is beautiful and effective. You can see we're in the shade right now. It's 90 degrees, and Nick and I are in the shade, just enjoying it, being with you today. So it's great. One of the things that we love about this particular boat is not only do you have all the entertainment space back here, but the bow is amazing. There's just ample seating. I love the fact that there's armrests, there's cup holders everywhere, huge storage locker, cup holders here. You can face aft, you can fill this in and have just a big lounging area, which is awesome. And then you've got your windlass anchor here and freshwater rinse off there, so you can rinse your feet if you're docking at the beach, and just rinse your whole body off. It's awesome. So this is a great feature of this boat.
So there you have it, folks. I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is a Sea Ray 290 SDX, and that right there is Doug Goff, new team member. Why don't you bring it home, Doug?
we're just really excited, guys, and we thank you for watching, and we just look forward to seeing you, and we look forward to seeing you on the water, and we're really looking forward to you being a part of the MarineMax family. We love you and thank you for watching.